Introducing the X-Scrub Rider 28 Automatic Floor Scrubber, built for faster, cleaner shifts. The X-Scrub 28 delivers professional performance in a compact, operator-friendly design. A large solution tank port makes filling water and chemicals quick and easy. Engineered for virtually every hard floor, it's ideal for schools, retail, and warehouses. In industrial settings, it easily powers through dirt and debris. An intuitive dashboard provides one-touch control of water flow, vacuum, brushes, and the squeegee. Our quick-snap magnetic hub makes brush changes fast and tool-free. For durability, a robust aluminum squeegee frame and stainless steel strap resist rust for long-lasting use. A built-in debris filter captures particles before they reach the recovery tank to protect the vacuum. For safety, a rear beacon and LED headlights improve visibility and precision. The X-Scrub 28 maximizes efficiency, reduces labor, and delivers a fast ROI.